Hey, and welcome to another Firefly beading tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to do a simple slip knot on cording. You can use 2mm cording or 1mm. This is with wax cording today. You're going to need to start with a 1 yard piece of cording with your pendant on there. And you're going to line up the two ends so that they're parallel and you have a 4-inch tail on one side. And then you're going to wrap the tail around the cording in your finger twice. Kind of pull the cording to the side that's on the inside and put the little tail up and back down through the two coils you just made. And then gently pull the tail and pull the other side and create a knot. You can slide it so that it looks nice. Nice and tight here. Keep pulling that tail and just wiggle it around. Then you're going to turn your piece around and again keep everything parallel and go so you have another 4-inch tail on the other side now. And again you're going to wrap around once and twice. Move that little cording out of the way and then take the tail, tuck it from the top and down through. And then pull. You don't have to be as precise on where you put your knots in here, as long as you leave about 4-inch tail on either end. You can sometimes use a tool to keep pulling and get everything tight. Once you've got everything where you want it, you can then snip it, leave about 1/4 of an inch or so of a little tail, just so that nothing pulls through. This is especially true for leather cording, which holds knots are all right, but sometimes they do get a little bit loose. So again, it didn't really matter where we put the slip knots. If you were to have a stabilized pendant, you would pay more attention on where your slip knots are going, but this is a very simple project and it's easy to do, and you can wear and adjust your necklaces as you would like with this piece. You can see how it's adjustable when you pull in a knot and then put everything where you would like to put it. And that's about it. We hope you enjoyed this really quick tutorial. Please like or subscribe to our channel to learn more techniques. Happy beading from us at Firefly.